Good morning, everybody. We're back. Canaries Tour, December 2020. What a year, but we are finally back on the bikes. Let's have some fun.
Down in the dirt.
And we start the twisties now. Woo-ha! Heading off up into the mountains. I think we're going right up in through the middle of the island today. Got a great bunch with us. 6 lads with us. We've got Ian, Mike, Mick, Dave, Neil and Neil. Ian, Mike, Nick, Dave, Neil and Neil. Yeah, 6 lads. And Jose is leading us today, so it's going to be a good one. Cannot wait. Look at that. It's awesome, isn't it? It's like you could be at home. Look at these maniacs cycling. Fair play, good effort. I do like this manual Africa Twin, I've got to say, I do enjoy this. It's got a lovely rumble, this engine. Oh, it's good to be back. Look at that. That's the problem here, you never know when to turn the camera on and off. Because everything's just gorgeous. Well folks, a lot of people will ask, like, how did we get out here then during the COVID times? Well, the Canaries is off of the quarantine list, so you haven't got that 2 weeks quarantine when you get back to the UK. However, to come here there are some conditions that you have to meet and adhere to. Once that's done, bosh, you're ready to fly. And you could be here. Blimey, I'm boiling already. This doesn't bode well. I had to remortgage my house to get this rocket suit. God, look at that. Look at this road. Look at this road. Oh, I've missed you. How you doing? You look at the road surface, the road quality we get in the UK. Oh, mind you, they can't get anywhere near the traffic that we do, but it's just immaculate. Another cyclist. Wow. I'm not kidding you, when I was here last with Martin, we were on a downhill section and we caught up with a push bike in front of us, but the push bike was being held up by some bikers in front. Well, this is like a major cycling training route, isn't it? Or training place in the winter. The Canaries. The Sky team's based here. Tenerife, gotcha. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Where would you rather be? Beautiful. Hiya. 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 Beautiful. Leche, leche. Happy chappy?
Unbelievable. Just at times you're just speechless, aren't you?
Mega, isn't it?
Wow.
Look at that.
Just wow.
Jose! It's good to be back, brother.
Good back again.
Alright, I've got to get reactions here.
There we go then. First leche ever. Oh wow, wow, that is nice. That is
You like it?
That's it. That's the thumbs up from me.
Cool. What do you think, Mick? Like it?
Love it.
Happy days.
Yeah.
Let's get everyone's reactions here.
Mike's
It's different. Look at that. Oh. Straight back into it. Beautiful. Another maniac. Oh God, imagine having this on your back doorstep. My missus just giving up now. Every time I come back from a trip, I'm like, right, we're moving there. You come back from a trip like this to these sort of places, onto the UK roads, it's freezing cold, the roads are crap, the surface is terrible, there's traffic everywhere. It's just, oh God. Look at this. That's typical Spanish roads. They just tighten up without telling you. They're all nicking my look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at the road down there. Look at that road. Oh man. Jose, let me put the drone up. Not a soul on it. GC604. Wow. Just wow. In fact, I tell you what, I'm going to see if I'm just going to see if Jose will let me put the drone up here. Beautiful. I thought the boys were coming back to me, but doesn't look like they are. Let's have some fun and go and meet them. What's this max mod like? I've got that on the Hero 9. Should be levelling out the horizon, but I don't know how it's going to work on the helmet. God, these roads are good. I do like this manual Africa Twin. Lovely. Just feels way more athletic than the big adventure sports one. DCT. But I know plenty of you out there love your DCTs. I'm not sure where the lads are gone. Ah, there they are now. There they are, there they are. Hello, hello, hello. Hiya, hiya. Okie dokie, mate, coming. This thing sounds mint when it's being spanked. Woo-ha! Well, that got off to a great start, that. I nearly crashed a drone. I was flying down towards you and totally didn't see the power lines until they sort of just skimmed over the top of the drone. I was like, oh! So a look at that moment. Gorgeous, isn't it? finding it, Neil? Enjoying it?
Fucking awesome.
I'm not sure, but I think they're enjoying it. Jose! Yeah! Oh, catalogue.
You just leave them there for a couple of minutes, mate, and turn it into dumplings. Look at them, 4 dumplings.
What's the verdict on the soup, man?
Very good.
What about the dust?
Yeah.
Dust.
Ooh. Shivering like a shitting dog. Who's laughing about the mesh stuff now? All I'm going to say is my rucker is pucker. Right, I better talk to the camera. I've hardly done it so far. Well, folks, we have just had a spot of luncheon and now we're back on the road. Apparently we're going to head to the sunshine, so I think we're going to Morocco. We shall see. How is everybody? Is everyone having fun? Woohoo! Teeth chattering. This is the danger time, this, straight after lunch. Just burps and farts on the intercom. Another maniac. There's the sun, there's the sun. Right, I'm just going to come by you lads. Who's that with a white helmet in front? Hello Neil, how are you? You alright? All I'm going to say is, whose app was right? Well actually mine was saying it would be about 4 degrees, so it certainly had the temperature wrong. Mind you, what is the temperature at the moment? 11, it's 11 degrees at the moment. I don't think I've ever ridden in rain here.
To get down low, get back down.
Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, eh? Down there for dancing.
If you've got vertigo, that could seriously f you up, couldn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit on the old high side, isn't it? Oh. Jose, could you not wait? You've pee-peed yourself. Can't take you anywhere. You Devonians.
I can't go now, people are watching.
I can't go now.
You're alright, there's no zoom lens on this, we'll be okay. Tunnel, you know what that means. Sorry, I'm a child. Shouldn't have done that, Ian. Can't believe you did that. Da, 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 da.
Yeah. But now my only one is now, and my only wear is
Look at that.
side. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the
Look at Ian, look, one-handed, just cruising along. Are you bored? Are you bored, mate? Oh, blimey, I'm hot in this rocket kit. God. Beautiful. Watch your head on the rocks. You know, as you go round on the right. I'd say that's got to be a badge of honour. If you can scrape your lid along the rocks, happy days. Let me know you're going to do it though, I'll try and catch it on film. Beautiful. Well folks, as you can see, it is dried out. We're on the other side of the mountain now. And look at this. It's not even seen any rain here. It's a shame that the other lads aren't, they're not mic'd up or anything, so we can't have any conversation going on, or you folks at home, you're only going to get, you know, my side of it, talking to myself, laughing at nothing. But the boys seem to be having a good time, seem to be enjoying it. It's like 1 or 2 degrees back home in the UK. Currently 20 degrees at the moment. It was a little bit colder up in the hills earlier, a bit wet in the rain, but now beautiful. So now starting to work our way back towards the hotel and then out for a bite to eat and some beers this evening. I'll need to check with the boys and see if they're okay with any video evidence of the evening's events. We'll see what sort of evening it's going to be first. Look at this for some surroundings, folks. What a spectacular place. Good. This is more like it. Is that you in front, Ian? Beautiful, man. Lovely lines. Yeah. Woo-ha. Beautiful. That's more like it. Ta-da. How you find it? Mint! How you bollocks?
Mincy.
It's been said before.
Tight.
How you enjoying it, mate?
Lovely, mate. Cheers.
Beautiful podcast.
Mental.
Are you shaking? Is that the booze?
That is me shaking.
Get this man a Rioja quick.
Steering works.
All good, boys?
A little bit of pressure on the inside.
All good?
Perfect.
Drops it. We'll make it.
Yeah.
Oh, special, man. Absolutely
Tell you
special.
Loving it?
Loving it.
What do you think with this in the Pyrenees? Because you came Pyrenees last year.
You know what? This is pretty special.
It's just non-stop, isn't it?
And it's very nadgery and technical, and I
yeah.
love nadgery and technical.
Yeah. But there's a mixture of what we've done this morning and now with this here, this sort of fast. This is the famous GC200. This is part of the coast road. Folks, if you look right up there, see all those little holes? Let me zoom in. All those holes there, everywhere in the mountain. That's where the sort of indigenous people in the Canaries used to live. So that is effectively a town in the mountain. Sync them up. 1, 2, 3. Well, folks, this is part of the famous GC200. That beautiful coast road. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh man, mint. Oh, it's good to be back, Canaries. It's good to be back. This place is normally absolutely, well, I'm saying normally, when we were here it was absolutely jumping. Wow, nobody here. To be fair, the roads where we've been aren't normally busy. They're busy here, obviously, but out and about they're never much more busy than what you've seen it. You're right, pet. You're right, pet. Is everybody happy? Mike, what's the weather tomorrow?
20 degrees.
Tenerife on there.
That's where we. Oh, you mean that's Saturday?
Tomorrow.
Literally one job.
One job to do.
Nice lad.
Okay, let's rewind. Ask the question again, Bruce.
Take 863. Mike, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Bruce, tomorrow the weather is.
How many languages you speak, Jose?
Don't you dare say English.
Before.
I speak English, German, Italian, and French.
You forgot one. The language of love. I've heard that you speak that pretty well too.
Dirt Diggler.
I lost the language.
Well, folks, that is us coming towards the end of day 1. What a mega day on the bike. The lads all seem to have enjoyed it. Lots of smiles, lots of thumbs up. It's been a top day. And we've got another week to go at this. Another 5 days of riding. Cannot wait. Alright, we'll see what tonight brings. But anyway, folks, hope you've enjoyed this. Tune in for the next day. Keep doing your thing. Look after those that you love. But most importantly, live your life. Woo-ah!
So I don't think
We've gone for
What have you gone for?
half a cow.
Good effort.
We're sharing it. Well,
Of course you are. Of course you are.
I've lost all respect.
Smash.